Okay, if you do not have your own graph paper or you don't want to write this down, then you can use Desmos to help you figure out where your new points are going to be for your reflections. And this is how you do it. So you can just type in your points like I have here on this line over here. But if we just retype them in, so all I would do here is I would just type in the parentheses, 1 comma space 2, and then I would do a comma space 3 comma space 4 comma, and then I would do the parentheses 4 comma -1. And so there it comes up my 3 points. Now it's not going to connect the points and form the actual shape of whatever it is, but you still have your 3 points. Now if you want them labeled, if that helps you, there they are labeled. You just click the label button. And then whatever it's telling you to reflect it on, of course, if it's reflecting across the y-axis or x-axis, you can do that easy because, you've got your y and x-axis on here. But if you wanted to do a reflection across, let's say y equals 1, you would just go down here and type in y equals 1. And you could just, use your mouse to help you, and you would reflect the points across that line. So you could just see that, you're 1 unit away here. So you would go 1 unit away here. So this point would now become 1, 0. And like this point, you're 1, 2, 3 units away. So you would go 1, 2, 3 units away. And that point would now become 3, -2. This point here would go up. So it's 1, 2 units away from this line. So it would be 1, 2 up here. So the new coordinates for that would be 4, 3. And so this, could change if it was a reflection across, let's say, x equals 3. Then your line is going to be this way. So obviously this line isn't going to change because it's on our line of reflection. But this one, we're 1, 2 units away, so it's going to be 2 units over here. So this is where the new coordinate would be. You would write those coordinates down. This one is going to be flipped over here to this side, and you would write those coordinates down. So if you don't want to write it down, this is how you would use Desmos to help you figure out what your new coordinates are for reflections.